Hi, it's Andy. Hope everyone is good. Today I am on my lunch break from my real job, and I thought I would have a go at making this fig, honey and ginger frozen yoghurt in the Ninja Creami. So it looks fairly straightforward. So I've got all of my ingredients already. So what I've got, and I'll put this in the comments as well. So I've got 135 mils of yoghurt, 200 mils of double cream, 200 mils of whole milk, 105 grams of caster sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 60 grams of stemmed ginger, and some chopped figs, so 4 chopped figs. So the first thing that I'm going to do is basically just put all of the ingredients into this big mixing bowl, so they can all just mix in together. So pop those in, hopefully without making too much mess. Then I've got the yogurt. Perfect. So first we just need to whisk it up nicely to mix everything in together. Just to make sure it's all mixed nicely. Yeah, don't think that needs too much more. Next I need to add the ginger and the figs. So I'm going to pop that in. Just got some lovely stem ginger here. That can all go in. And also, so the recipe asked for fresh figs, but I didn't have any. So in my slightly haphazard way of making things, I'm going to just use what I do have in the cupboard. And I also need to add in the sugar at this stage as well. That can all go in together. You can just tell when you're mixing this up that this is going to be a good, tasty thing. I'm also going to add in now the vanilla extract. So lastly, I've got 3 tablespoons of honey that needs to go in. And what I'd say is we tend not to like things too sweet, so I think I've sort of possibly erred on the side of slightly less rather than slightly more. So I'm just going to carry on, mix that up, make sure everything's mixed in nicely. Yep, I think this is all good. And so last thing I'm going to do, well at least for today, is I'm going to pop all of this into one of the Ninja Creami containers, hopefully without making too much mess. That's good. Might just give it a little bit of a stir as well, just to try and make sure that not everything is like stuck to the bottom. And now I'm going to need to put a lid on this, and it's going to go in the freezer for 24 hours, and we'll see what it's like when it comes out. I'm really looking forward to tasting it. Hey, it's Andy. Well, it's been 24 hours, more than 24 hours now, and we are ready to make the frozen yogurt in the machine. So I'm just going to try and put all the bits together. I haven't actually done it myself yet, so I'm going to give it a go now. Okay, so Jen's actually going to tell me how to do this because I've not done it before. So I'm going to pop the dish in here, lid on top.
Yeah.
And then it locks in place, is that right?
Yeah.
And then...
Just slide it straight in so the handle's pointing you.
So this way. Yeah.
And then twist it round.
Yeah.
And then power button.
And this is where we'll see if it works first time. So let's do frozen yogurt on here. And... oh, it's going to take 5 minutes. Sorry, Milo, 5 minutes.
And then press the round button in for your start.
There we go, going to get noisy. So 5 minutes down and it has finished, so let's have a look and see what it looks like. That looks as though it's going to be very, very tasty. Milo's coming to have a look.
Yeah, tasty, tasty.
Now what I'm just wondering is whether it, the stuff is going to be mixed in at the bottom, whether we need to mix it again. What do you think, Jem?
Let's try it.
Let's try it.
Too excited to try it.
So should we just try a spoon straight from here?
Yeah.
Right, Milo, do you want to come and try some of the frozen yoghurt? I've got a spoon for you here. See what you think.
Oh, big spoon.
I'm going to try some as well. I'm trying to get a bit from the bottom. I'd say if you get a bit that's from the from nearer the bottom, then you get more of the kind of the ginger and the thickness to it. Now, we wouldn't normally just be eating out of the bowl, but I just can't quite help myself. Neither can Milo by the look of it. What do you think, everyone? I think this is the nicest one that we've made so far, and nice to have a change from ice cream.
Yeah, I agree. I think
Yeah, so do I.
frozen yoghurt's going to be a hit in this house, especially fig and ginger.
So I, full disclosure as well, actually, that I did not follow the recipe.
There's a surprise.
Exactly. So I didn't have fresh figs and I didn't have ginger and syrup. So I used dried figs, and we also had some candied ginger. So that's what I used in it. But overall, and also I used the low-fat yogurt instead of full-fat. But aside from that, I followed the recipe perfectly. So I hope you enjoyed watching this, and I really would encourage you to make it. I think it's the nicest one that we've tried so far.
Yeah, so would I.
Good, thank you, Milo. So thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.